everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring a must-have kitchen gadget, the Amazon Basics Vacuum Sealer. This little machine is perfect for keeping food fresher longer while saving space and cutting down on waste. So let's check it out. The Amazon Basics Vacuum Sealer is designed for modern kitchens. It's compact, easy to use, and works wonders for meal preparation, storage, and even sauce-wise cooking. The lightweight machine is all about convenience, whether you are sealing leftovers, fresh ingredients, or marinated foods. It does the job quickly and effectively. So let's talk about what makes this vacuum sealer so practical. Automatic air extraction. With a single button press, the vacuum sealer automatically removes air and seals the bag, creating an airtight barrier that locks in freshness. Unlike bulky models, this one is small and easy to store. Keep it on your counter or tuck it away when not in use. It's perfect for kitchen of any size. Whether you're working with dry snacks or wet foods like marinated meat, this sealer handles both with ease. The dual mode setting ensures perfect seal every time. No need to worry about proprietary bags. This vacuum sealer is compatible with most vacuum sealable bags, giving you flexibility and saving you money. From batch sealing fresh produce to prepping meals for the week, this sealer gets the job done fast, saving you time and effort. Now, why is vacuum sealing such a game changer? Vacuum seal food lasts up to 5 times longer than those stored in traditional methods, perfect for preserving freshness and reducing spoilage. Removing air helps retain the natural flavor, texture, and nutrients in your food. It's especially great for delicate items like herbs, fruits, and baked treats. Stop tossing spoiled food. With proper sealing, you can store leftovers, prep meals, or save seasonal produce with confidence. These vacuum sealed bags are perfect for precise cooking, locking in flavors and juices during the process. Now, how to use the vacuum sealer? Using the Amazon Basics vacuum sealer is incredibly simple. Start by prepping your food, whether it's fresh produce, marinated meats, or even liquids. For liquids, consider freezing them slightly to prevent spills. Make sure to leave some space at the top for sealing. Slide the open end of the bag into the machine. Ensure it's properly aligned with the vacuum chamber. Close the lid, press the button, and let the vacuum sealer work its magic. In just seconds, your food is vacuum sealed and ready for storage. Store your sealed food in the fridge, freezer, or pantry. Depending on the item, enjoy organized, long-lasting storage with minimal effort. And that's the Amazon Basic Vacuum Sealer, a simple and effective way to keep your food fresher for longer. Whether you are a meal prepping, reducing waste, or just looking for a better way to store food, this gadget is a must-have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.